Are you someone who loves the rich, bold flavor of dark chocolate, or can't resist the creamy, sweet taste of ripe bananas? Well, then you don't want to miss this, because I'm about to share a secret you probably haven't thought of before. The perfect pairing of dark chocolate and ripe bananas brings a whole bunch of amazing health benefits, especially for those of you over 50. We've all heard that chocolate is just a guilty pleasure that leads to weight gain. But the truth is, dark chocolate, especially the kind with high cacao content, is packed with antioxidants that help boost heart health, support memory, and even improve your mood. And when you pair it with a ripe banana loaded with potassium and fiber, you get a snack that's not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. In today's video, I'll explain why dark chocolate and ripe bananas make such a power duo for your health, and show you how you can make the most of their benefits. So if you're looking to boost your health, ease stress, and enjoy a healthy treat, stick with me and let's dive right in. And don't forget, if you find this content helpful, hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends and family, especially those who are also searching for simple yet effective nutrition tips like these. The benefits of dark chocolate, a healthy surprise for your taste buds. Let's kick things off with a surprising twist. Dark chocolate isn't just a delicious treat, it's actually a superfood packed with incredible health benefits, especially for those of you over 50. First up, let's talk about heart health. Contrary to popular belief, dark chocolate isn't about satisfying a sweet tooth. Instead, it's loved for its rich, slightly bitter flavor and is packed with flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that help protect your body from cellular damage. When you enjoy dark chocolate with high cacao content, these flavonoids work wonders by stimulating the production of nitric oxide. This compound relaxes your blood vessels, lowers blood pressure, and improves blood flow, all of which are essential for a healthy heart, particularly as we age. Next, let's move on to your brain health. Dark chocolate isn't only good for your heart, it's also a fantastic brain booster. It contains compounds like theobromine and caffeine, which act as natural stimulants for the brain. These compounds help enhance memory, sharpen focus, and even reduce the risk of cognitive decline as you get older. In fact, a study from Harvard University found that drinking hot chocolate twice a day can increase blood flow to the brain, keeping your mind sharp and alert. And if you're concerned about your waistline, don't worry. Dark chocolate can actually support your weight management goals. Thanks to its soluble fiber, dark chocolate helps you feel satisfied for longer, making it easier to control cravings and avoid overeating. This is especially helpful if you're aiming to maintain a healthy weight and cut down the risk of chronic conditions like type 2 diabetes. But here's the key. To fully enjoy these benefits, it's important to choose wisely. Go for pure dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao, and avoid varieties loaded with sugar and saturated fats. So, next time you're looking for a satisfying treat, reach for a piece of dark chocolate. It's not just a tasty indulgence, it's a smart, healthy choice, especially as you get older. The benefits of ripe bananas, a nutrient powerhouse. We've already explored the amazing health perks of dark chocolate. Now, let's take a look at its perfect partner, ripe bananas. This familiar yet nutrient-packed fruit is a staple at any grocery store. Here's why ripe bananas are such a fantastic addition to your diet, especially if you're over 50. Often called the golden fruit for a good reason, ripe bananas are loaded with potassium. This essential mineral helps keep your blood pressure in check, supports heart health, and lowers the risk of stroke. For anyone over 50, eating just one banana a day can help protect against cardiovascular issues and keep your circulatory system functioning smoothly. But it doesn't stop there. Ripe bananas are also a great source of soluble fiber, particularly pectin, which plays a key role in digestive health. The fiber in bananas helps to soften stool and prevent constipation, a common problem as we age. Just one ripe banana a day can keep your digestive system running like clockwork. There's even more good news. Ripe bananas are rich in vitamin B6, which is crucial for the production of serotonin, the neurotransmitter that helps boost your mood and improve sleep quality. If you're feeling stressed, anxious, or struggling to get a good night's rest, a ripe banana can be a natural way to help you unwind and feel more relaxed. And while ripe bananas do have natural sugars, the high content of soluble fiber helps slow the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar. This is especially important if you're trying to manage your weight or dealing with conditions like type 2 diabetes. So, if you're searching for a healthy, convenient snack packed with nutrition, look no further than a ripe banana. It's a simple, effective choice with plenty of health benefits, especially when paired with dark chocolate. A combination that's as tasty as it is good for you. The perfect combo: dark chocolate and ripe bananas. We've already explored the incredible benefits of dark chocolate and ripe bananas individually. But here's where things get really interesting. When you bring these two superfoods together, you don't just get their individual benefits. You create a powerful nutritional synergy. Let's dive into what makes the pairing of dark chocolate and ripe bananas so special. This combination is an excellent choice for a natural energy boost. The easily digestible carbohydrates in ripe bananas help you recover quickly, while the theobromine in dark chocolate enhances your focus and alertness. It's a fantastic light snack after a workout or whenever you need a little energy lift during the day. What's even better is that this pairing can help you maintain stable blood sugar levels. The soluble fiber from the banana slows down the absorption of sugar from the chocolate, helping to prevent sudden blood sugar spikes, which is especially important for those managing their weight or dealing with conditions like type 2 diabetes. And let's not forget about its impact on your mood and stress levels. Ripe bananas are packed with tryptophan, while dark chocolate naturally stimulates the release of endorphins, leaving you feeling happy and relaxed. If you're looking for a great way to wind down after a busy day, try a frozen chocolate-dipped banana. It's not only satisfying, but also the perfect treat to help you relax. So, are you ready to start including ripe bananas and dark chocolate in your daily routine? It's more than just a tasty snack. It's a smart and delicious way to support your overall health, especially as you age. Simple and delicious ways to enjoy dark chocolate and ripe bananas at home. Dark chocolate and ripe bananas are two versatile ingredients that can be transformed into a variety of nutritious and tasty treats. Let's look at a few easy recipes you can whip up right in your own kitchen. Chocolate-covered bananas. This is a classic treat that's both simple and satisfying. Here's how you can make it. Peel a ripe banana and cut it into bite-sized pieces, or leave it whole for a bigger snack. Melt some dark chocolate. Using a microwave or double boiler works well. Dip each banana piece into the melted chocolate and place it on a tray lined with parchment paper. Freeze for about 1 to 2 hours. When you bite into it, you'll get the creamy sweetness of the banana paired with the rich, crunchy chocolate coating. Pro tip: add some extra flavor with toppings like chopped almonds, shredded coconut, or chia seeds. Chocolate banana smoothie. This smoothie is a quick and nutritious option for any time of day. In a blender, combine 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup of almond milk or yogurt, and a few ice cubes. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and sprinkle a bit of shaved dark chocolate or chia seeds on top for extra texture. This smoothie makes an excellent choice for breakfast or as a refreshing post-workout drink, providing a natural energy boost without too much added sugar. Chocolate banana pancakes. These pancakes are a fun and healthy twist on a classic breakfast. Mash 1 ripe banana and mix it with 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and a handful of rolled oats. Stir everything together and cook on a hot skillet with a little coconut oil. When the pancakes are golden brown, drizzle them with some melted dark chocolate and top with fresh raspberries or strawberries. These pancakes are perfect for a weekend brunch. Delicious, filling and packed with wholesome ingredients. So, we've explored all the exciting details about the combination of dark chocolate and ripe bananas, a fantastic duo that delivers a rich, satisfying flavor and a whole range of health benefits, especially for those of you over 50. Now you know that with just a few simple tweaks to your daily diet, you can support your heart health, boost your mood, and even sharpen your memory. If you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos on nutrition and wellness. And be sure to share this video with your friends and family. Who knows, they might discover some great tips for improving their health with simple ingredients like dark chocolate and bananas. Thanks for watching.